Hello friends, welcome to Bulls Coaching. In this video, we are going to solve this question. Nice geometrical based question based on cyclic quadrilateral. We need to find value of all the angles. Can you give it a try? Pause this video for some time and try to solve it by yourself. And then come back again to verify your answer. And I would like to tell you that you can follow me and search me on Facebook, Instagram, also on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your friends, families and relatives. With this, let us begin with a solution. Same thing I have drawn over here. So I don't need that now. Let me remove that. Focus here. Since this is a cyclic quadrilateral, you all must be knowing one property of cyclic quadrilateral, which is that if you sum opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral, sum will come to 180 degree. Okay, so with that property, let me write this 4y plus 20, this x as it is will be equal to 180. For better explanation, let me write in this way. Then just open this up. So we'll get 4x plus 20 minus 4x will be equal to 180. Clear? Now minus 4x plus 4y will become 180 minus 20, and will get 4y is equal to 160. All we can divide by 4. All we can divide by 4. So what we'll get? Minus x plus y equal to 40, and let me write this as equation 1. Simple equation. Now concentrate on these two angles. Let me write this over here, this side, and how we can write this angle, which is 3y minus 5 plus this angle, as I had done it over here, minus sign. Since we are putting a plus sign, doesn't matter, so let me write it directly. Plus 5 should be equal to 180. Actually, we are adding two angles. Okay, I'll skip one step. Now, check this. Bring this on this side. Minus 7x plus 3y minus 5 will get cancelled. What will remain is 180, and this is our equation 2. Now, this is our equation 2. This is our equation 1. Good. Now, what we'll do? As I will be using elimination method for solving this linear equation in two variables, I have to make this coefficient same. So I want to make this 3 and here 3 should be coming. So what I'll do, I multiply this by 3. I'll do it over here only. So let me multiply this by 3 and we'll get minus 3x plus 3y will be equal to 120, and let me write it as equation 3 maybe. Okay. I'll be writing it again, same equation, which is minus 3x plus 3y is equal to 120. From here we got, in this equation, which is minus 7x plus 3y is equal to 180, this we got. Right? Solving these two equations, change of sign, this will get cancelled. What will remain is 4x, and here we'll get minus 60. Now we can easily find value of x, which is minus 60 upon 4, and x will come to minus 15. You just have to cancel it out. So we got one answer. Since now we have value of x, we can substitute this value of x in any of the equation, either 1 or in 2, to get the answer. For time being, let me substitute in equation which is simple. Okay, let me put this in equation 1 here. Okay, so substitute x equal to minus 15 in equation 1. This is our equation, so let me write minus, in terms of x I'll be putting this value, which is minus 15 plus y, and finally we have 40, same as this equation, just we have replaced the value of x. Now solve it. What will get? Let me solve it over here. What will get? This will become 15 plus y, which will become 40, and y will become 40 minus 15, so y will get as 25. Simple thing, we got value of x and y, a nice thing. Now they have told us to find the value of all the angles. Simple thing, let me take angle A, which is 4y plus 20. Let us find. In place of y, we'll have to write 25 plus 20. When you solve this, become 120 degree angle. Similarly, we'll find angle B, which will be equal to 3y minus 5. In place of y, I am writing 25. So this will become 25 minus 5, 75. This will become 70 degree. Then angle C, which is minus 4x, and in place of x we are writing minus 15, so this will become 60 degree. And angle D, which is minus 7x plus 5, and in place of x again we are putting this value, which is minus 15, so this will become minus 15 plus 5. And let me solve this. This will become 105 plus 105. This becomes 110 degrees. So we have all the values A, B, C and D. Okay, so let us verify cyclic quadrilateral. Angle A plus C, what is angle A is 120, C is 60, sum becomes 180. B and D, B is 70, D is 110 and sum will become 180. So we got a correct answer, right? Okay, so nice problem. By now, I think all of you must have understood this problem, right? So thank you so much guys for watching our video. Do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share this channel with your friends, families and relatives. And you can always ask us questions related to maths, physics and science. Also puzzle like this, we are going to make video based on your topic. Thank you so much. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you in next video.